Hello, boys and girls. Today we are on Lesson 11, Problem Set, and today we are going to be using different strategies to make 100 cents or $1. 100 cents is $1. So number 1, A through D, we are going to be using the arrow method. So it says count up using the arrow way to complete each number sentence. Then use your coins to show your answers are correct. So number 1A, so nicely they already started this arrow method for us right here, so we were going to go ahead and complete it. So this says 45 cents plus something equals 100 cents. So if we use our arrow way here, we know that 45 plus 5 more gives us 50, and 50 plus 50 gives us 100. So in order to know what we are adding here, we just need to look at our arrow method here and say 50 plus 5 gives us 55 cents. So 45 cents plus 55 cents gives us 100 cents or $1. Okay, letter B. We have 15 cents. We're trying to get to 100 cents. So let's take a look and let's use our arrow method here. I'm going to make my pen stroke a little bit smaller. So if we start with 15 cents and we can add 5 to that to get us up to 20. So add 5. And that will give us 20. And now from 20, we want to get to 100. So if I say 20 plus 80, I know 2 plus 8 gives me 10. Therefore, 20 plus 80 gives me 100. So 20 plus 80 is going to get me to 100. So again, now to find what we're adding to 15, we look at what we're adding here, 80 plus 5, so 15 cents plus 85 cents gives us 100 cents or $1. Okay, the next one is 57 cents. We are going to start with 57, and we want to get 57 up to 60. So if I were to add, I know that 7 plus 3 gives me 10, so 57 plus 3 is going to get me up to my next 10, which in this case is 60. Now I have to figure out what plus 60 will give me 100, and I know that 6 plus 4 gives me 10, so 6 plus 40 is going to get me up to 100. So what am I going to write here? Well, I have my 40 here and my 3 here, so it's going to be 57 cents plus 43 cents gives me 100 cents or $1. Okay, and last letter D, we need to go backwards on this one. So we need to find what do we need to add to 71 cents to get us to 100. So we will start in this case with the 71 cents. So 71 cents, and I want to get us to the next 10. So 71 cents plus 9 is going to get us to 80 cents. So we've got 80 here. Now I need to figure out 80 plus what will get me to 100. So 8 plus 2 I know will get me to the next 10. So therefore 80 plus 20 will get me to 100. And just like before, we're just going to add our 2 atoms here. So 20 plus 9 is going to be 29 cents. Plus 71 cents will give me 100 cents or $1. Okay, number 2, it says solve using the arrow way and a number bond. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'll start with letter A here, and I'm going to do letter A, finish this one off, and then I'll do letter B, and then I want you guys to do C on your own on a piece of paper. So if we are going to start at 79 cents, I want to get to the next 10. So 79 plus 1 more will get me to 80. So that's going to get me to 80, and just like our last problem up here, 20 more will get me to 100. So here's 20, and that's going to get me to 100. So then I know over here it's going to be 20 plus 1 or 21 cents, so I can fill in my number bond here. 79 cents and 29 cents is going to get me to $1. Okay, and so this next one doesn't give us anything. So we will start with our number bond here. We are starting with 64 cents, and we want to get to the next 10. So 64, I know that 4 plus 6 will get me 10, so 64 plus 6 is going to get me to my next 10, which is going to be 70. Now I need to get from 70 to 100. I know 7 plus 3 will give me 10, so therefore 70 plus 30 will get me to 100. And I'm just going to add these two. 30 plus 6 gives me 36 cents. And so my number bond is going to always start with $1 here. And I'm going to do a side number bond just for the sake of room here. So I've got $1, and it gives me the first amount, 64 cents. And then we found the second amount of this number bond, and that was 36 cents. So we'll just fill that in here, 36 cents. Okay. And you're actually going to be doing this for number 3 as well. So why don't we go ahead and we'll do this last one here. So we've got 100 minus 30. Well, we can do our number bond, and we just know 100. We can do 100, and only one step in this this arrow method. So I know that 10 minus 3 gives me 7. So therefore 100 minus 30 is going to give me 70. Therefore 100 cents minus 30 cents is going to give me 70 cents. And my number bond is going to always start, in this case, it's going to start with $1. So there's my total amount there. And then my number bond is going to consist of 30 cents. And whatever I need to add to that to get me to $1, which would be 70 cents. Whoops. And here we'll put 70 cents. So there you have it, boys and girls. Use these A, B, and C examples to then try to complete number 3. You may use whatever method, whatever strategy comes easiest to you. So if you want to do arrow method and a number bond, if you want to do just the arrow method or just a number bond, whatever strategy works best for you on number 3. Solve it in the best way you can. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section on our Google Classroom.